Good morning, dear kids. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our online classes. Today we are going to learn sound of CH and sound of SH. Page number 1818 of your book. Okay. Upper kindergarten English section, page number 1818. Okay, sound of sh and ch and sh. So हमने phonic sounds learn किए, right? We have learned phonic sounds from A to Z. Okay, and I'll introduce you some special sounds like double L, double S. So here are some more examples: ch and sh. CH and SH are most commonly used sound in most of spellings. Okay, but like CH and SH, here two letters are present, right? CH दो letters है, SH also two letters. What is the sound of C? What is the sound of H? Right? But when we write C and H together, ठीक है, C का sound is different, H का sound is also different. But when we write C and H together, it makes ch. It makes ch. Ch, chammach ka. So the symbols for ch chammach ka is CH. So whenever you saw CH written in any English spelling or word, then you have to pronounce it ch. Repeat after me. Ch. And SH. Here are also two letters present in this spelling. What is the sound of S? What is the sound of H? Right? Both have different sounds, phonic sounds. But when we write S and H together, then the sound becomes sh. Sh, shakkar ka. Right? Whenever you listen sh sound in any word, then you have to write S and H in the spelling. Got it? The sound of C and H is ch. Repeat after me. CH, ch. CH, ch. CH, ch. The sound of SH, sh. SH, sh. SH, sh. Don't get confused between CH and SH. Okay, you have to learn only two things. CH, ch. SH, sh. Got it? Now, here are some examples. Let's read them. CH. So, up. Now, here CH is written together. So, when we use our phonic sounds, what is the sound of C? What is the sound of H? Ha ha. But we don't have to use that sounds because here C and H written together. कैसे लिखे हुए हैं? साथ में लिखे हुए हैं. So when you saw C and H together, you have to pronounce it ch. च, ए, र. Chair. तो हम इसको च ही pronounce करते हैं. Chair. Got it? CH again. च, double E. E, S, E, Z. चीज. च आया, हमने च किसके लिए यूज किया? CH. चीज. चेस्ट. चेस्ट. chest. So here C and H again written together. The C sound of C and H is ch, chammach ka. Now bunch. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of U? A. What is the sound of N? Bun. Bunch. Because C and H are together. Bunch. Got it? So here are some examples. Some examples are also given in your book. So you have to read them. Okay? Chair, cheese, chest, bunch. Okay? Sound of CH is ch. Now let's see some examples of SH. Sh. Shed. 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 Okay? What is the sound of SH? Sh. What is the sound of E? And what is the sound of D? D. Sh, ed, shed. Now again SH is together, so pronounce it sh. ऐसा नहीं कि S का sound है S and H का sound है ह, तो स ह नहीं होगा. Okay, when S and H are together, we pronounce it sh. Shell. अब here देखिए, हमने जो लास्ट चैप्टर में लर्न किया था कि अगर लास्ट में डबल एल एंड डबल एस है तो भी सिंगल साउंड प्रोनाउंस होगा. गॉट इट? हमने पहले के चैप्टर्स में पढ़ा साउंड ऑफ डबल एल एंड डबल एस इफ दे आर कम इन एंड ऑफ द स्पेलिंग. सो हियर सी डबल एल इज हियर, बट हम टू टाइम्स यूज नहीं करेंगे. वी हैव टू प्रोनाउंस इट ओनली वंस. शेल, 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 शेल. गॉट इट? Now, देखो brush, brush, brush. Okay, S and H is together, so sure. BU. अब जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था, इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज देयर आर सो मैनी एक्सेप्शंस. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनका कोई लॉजिक या कोई रीजन नहीं है. वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. जैसा वो है उसी को हमें वैसा है कि वैसा एक्सेप्ट करना है. गॉट इट? सो यहाँ पे जब हम यू का साउंड क्या हमने आपको सिखाया? अ. बट हियर द साउंड ऑफ यू इज यू. ब यू बुश. यू इज हियर यूज्ड फॉर ऊ की मात्रा. ये मैं आपको बाद में सिखाऊंगी. बुश. SH is together, so pronounce it sh. Some examples are also given for SH sh in your book. So today you have to read that words, you have to pronounce them correctly, you have to use phonic sounds, and you have to use the knowledge of double L and double S in the end. You have to use the knowledge of ch and sh. Got it? So this is our today's chapter. Please read it, and if you have any problem then please ask me in the group. Thank you.